Today I have raised the issue regarding the Titwa cyclone. The entire Tamil Nadu was submerged, the rainwater. People of the farmers in Delta area and my own Tirunelveli district and Tenkasi district farmers were mostly affected. Their cultivation land was submerged in the rainwater. The paddy were floating in the rainwater. The banana trees are fallen by the cyclone. The government of Tamil Nadu didn't take any necessary precautionary measures has not been taken. Repeatedly, my leader, ADMK leader, Mr. Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, has repeatedly warned the government. He has not done nothing. So I have raised the issue in the floor, Rajya Sabha, and also I have raised another point regarding Chennai. Chennai is now floating in the rain water, even though they have said to be spent 4,000 crore rupees for rainwater drainage. The people now asking where that money, such a huge money, where it is gone. They are asking. So that I urge the central government to intervene this matter and take some necessary steps to send a expert committee to assess the damages and give a remedy fund, the central fund to be distributed as soon as possible. This is my contention, sir. Thank you.